Ayush, can you tell me something about this cute little man?
Theodore is growing rapidly.
Yes, and then you can tell me about this cute little lady also.
She is growing not so rapidly, but then also rapidly.
Which one is your favorite?
I guess Theodore.
And this one, the third and finale.
She's growing very fast, but then she's a baby.
Yeah, it's just so relaxing spending time with them, right?
Theodore has the biggest mass out of all of them because
Yeah.
Theodore is a Flemish giant.
I've never shot vertically in a long time, but I think I'll then next video I'll do it horizontal. Hey, keep her.
It's too chaotic.
Too chaotic. Okay, this lady keep the boy and the girl. This we got this guy these little rabbits on November 18th. December 18th will make it 1 month.
Mommy, look.
Yeah.
She was licking.
Easy. Yeah, she licks the most, you know.
She
Just so cute.
She loves